This is Aruna from Quality Department. First of all, congratulations on getting on the corporate placement.
Thank you,
Can you
ma'am.
introduce about yourself, Darshan?
Yes, ma'am. Hello, everyone. Myself, Darshan. I am from Assam, and I completed my BE in PS Engineering College of India with an overall aggregate of 9 CGPA. And now I am currently staying in JP Nagar, Bangalore. And when I was in college only, I got to know about the CMTI, and I done the 1 month internship in CMTI, and for like online. After that, I get to know about the CMTI briefly. So how the placements are going on and how the teaching skills, how the trainers will teach here. I got to know in that only. While during the college only, I got to know about this institute, and
Okay.
I completed 1 month internship in National Highway NHAI, that is NH275, which is in between Mysore to Bangalore. After that, mm, and I done campus ambassador work in Hindenburg and in CMTA also. I was like in exploring minded person. Uh, Now I'm still exploring everything, ma'am. That's all about my
Yeah,
introduction. Is there anything
good,
else, ma'am?
good introduction, Darshan.
Yeah.
Can you inform us how did you got to know about CMTI?
Yes, ma'am. The CMTI came to our college, ma'am, during the sixth sem only. From there, I got to know about CMTI and I joined the 1 month internship as I told before only. And 1 month internship, I learned some safety precautions and planning, interiors, sketch up little bit, and those things there only. From there, that I got to know the CMTI. Next, ma'am.
Okay, Darshan, in our platform also they are Kannada learners.
Yeah,
Okay,
okay.
it's will start like continue in Kannada itself. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you speak about the courses, lessons, syllabus, and quality content?
Yes, ma'am. In advanced construction, I taken the advanced construction course. Here, there are a lot of courses which are available here, like formwork, quality control and quality assurance, planning, quantity survey, interior. In interior, there are execution and so many things. Measurement is there, planning is there, design is there. Like SketchUp, in the SketchUp, we do the designing, and Anand sir taught us very well in the execution part, and Santosh sir trained us about the SketchUp in detail, so that I got to from that I got an idea about that interior. Actually, interior is a new concept which we didn't learn in the engineering. But from this platform, I got to know the new things in civil engineering to explore for myself. This is a good platform for me. And in quantity survey, that Gandhi sir and SS sir taught me very well. Like SS sir will teach the basics things from everything. Even Natarajan sir teaches us quantity survey. Sir taking the whole syllabus. Natarajan sir will train everything in every detail. Natarajan will tell, and Gandhi sir like is expert who will train the experienced candidate. If we have already 5 years experience from Gandhi sir, if 5 years experience people can teach in 10, can he work? He can work in 10 hours means if he learned from the Gandhi sir, he can work that same work in 5 hours. That efficient he can be improved. For experienced candidate also, Gandhi sir teaching is very well, and even Natarajan sir will teach very well, and SS sir is also teaching in quantity survey. Um, that's all.
Okay, Darshan. Can you speak few words about the training at the project sites, site
Yes,
visits?
ma'am. In CMTI, they are conducting so many site visits. From there, we can get to know the practical things, how the things are like in physical. We can feel the experience by seeing, by touching the like woods materials. Uh, Means this is for interior purpose. We get more knowledge. We will go for the aspect like manufacturing industry. From there, we can get to know the how the wood is manufactured, and we go for the RMC plant also, like for the concrete, the concrete is prepared. We can get to know the things, how quality control is there, quality check will be conducted. Everything we can get to know by their expert. What is the industry is doing, we can get to know by their only, by their self only. Here we are getting the things practically, but still we can get the process which is they are doing if we go for the site visits. And main thing the we got for the green building concept like BGRT and Bengaluru Creative Circus. In there, we can explore the things in a better way. We can use the waste material like scraps and all the things. From that thing, how can we build a new buildings, and how can we utilize that material as new concept. We will get the idea like if I am a fresher, if we went for that visit, I can be like, I have some experience already. From that visit, I can get around 6 months experience. Like that, we will feel when we gone for that industry. So,
Okay. Then how was the trainers in the training? How was their approach?
as I told before, only the trainers were like explore, like experts. We can say that everyone are there, they have some expertise in their field only. They have for the every field there is like unique technique, unique way of expressing their skills in that work. We have to grab that skills from there. They are also teaching their work, their techniques. So like Gandhi sir will teach the quantity survey with an efficient way. Like within half an hour only we can do the building quantity survey. Like that, everything will be there. We have to learn. We have to grab the opportunity. They are also teaching very well. Like, yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
How did the CMTI app help you?
Like there are already a lot of videos are available in CMT app. From that, whenever I am free, I can go through that videos, and the same thing will be taught there, and the extra things whichever is available also there will be available, ma'am. We can get we can improve ourselves without the trainer also. When the trainer is unavailable, we can go through that videos, and we can be improve ourselves.
Yeah. Okay. How was the interview process, Darshan? How did you crack the interview?
Um, I went for three interviews. In that first interview, they conducted an aptitude test. After that, in the interview process, they were like cool-minded. They are not arrogant, and everyone feel like you are like my boy. Don't worry, be cool. Like that, they will be treated. Whenever we go, they feel, don't worry, I am there. Wait, what you know, you write calmly. Like that, they were approaching there, and I wrote, and the interview was good, and
They were
like
giving a positive vibe.
yeah, ma'am. And I
Okay.
got an experience also, and then I got for another two interviews. There they give the assignments before only. By
Mm.
selecting our CVs, they will assign some work. For example, like quantity survey, they will give the drawings, and they will expect us to complete that work in within 2 days, 1 day, like that. We need to complete that. After that completion, they will get to know how much he has done. From there, then they will call for the interview. And even in interior also, they will give the plan and photos of that. We need to do the work which they expected. They will mention in the mail that we need to give for them. Then according that, they will select us for the interview. And uh, in this also, when I went for the current role, I went for the industry that where the interview was going on. They conducted a primary interview. In there, they asked about the material. In interior, they asked about the materials which they are using, core materials, and about the laminates and acrylic, everything about the laminates, veneer, and about the plan, about the vastu, little bit things. They asked about those things, and they given a plan of for me. They given the master bedroom plan. In there, they said to do the TV unit and wardrobe and study unit and bed. From that plan, I wrote and then they said for the separate thing they given the elevation for that. They said to do the elevation in the IMO software. I done the elevation also. From that, they selected me for this role.
Okay, how was the CMTI staff's approach for the inquiry admission?
Yeah, every staffs are very good for their they have their certain roles. They will perform their roles very well, and everyone are helpful. Like they are treating like our family. Everyone are good, ma'am. They are that's it, ma'am.
Okay. What do you want to say to your friends, juniors who are searching for job?
For searching their jobs, here you will get the skill sets, ma'am. From that skill set, you can improve yourself. From without skills you will be like even there is a job also if you don't have skills you are like waste person to gain the skills CMTA is a platform that's it.
Okay. Thanks for your good feedback, Darshan.
Yeah,
And congratulations once again, and all the best for your future.
thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Darshan.